Hello friends, welcome back to governmentjobspreparation.com. My name is Preeti and today we're going to learn simple interest. In our examination, we always see 2 or 3 questions based on this chapter. So look at the first question. Our first question is, a sum of money at simple interest amounts to rupees 650 in 3 years and rupees 750 in 5 years. What is the principal and the rate of interest? 650 in 3 years and rupees 750 in 5 years. Alright. Now see the gap between the time. The gap is 2 years and the gap of amount is 100. Okay. So 100 is increased in 2 years. 100 rupees increased in 2 years. It means this is simple interest. Okay. 100 rupees as a simple interest increase in 2 years. It means simple interest for 1 year is rupees 50. Right? This is rupees 50 is for 1 year. It means take the first statement. This is our first statement and this is second statement. Take any one of them. Right? So if rupees 50 is for 1 year, so for 3 years, the simple interest would be 150 rupees, right? And this is the simple interest and this is the whole value, this is the sum, this is the principal and interest. So this is the amount which somebody has taken from somebody else, right? So 650 minus this simple interest is equal to, when we subtract these, we get 500 and this is our principal. This is the whole amount which somebody has taken. This is the amount, principal plus simple interest for 3 years, right? And this is the simple interest for 3 years. It means 650 minus 150 is equal to 500. 500 was the actual amount which was taken by somebody else, right? This was the principal and the formula to get rate of interest is equal to simple interest divided by principal into 100. Simple interest for 1 year was rupees 50. Principal is 500 into 100. When we solve this equation, we get 10. So 10% is the rate of interest. It was the first question. Now see the second question. A sum of money is rupees 550 in 5 years and 600 in 6 years. Find the rate of interest. Now in this question we don't have to we are not given that we have to find the principal also, but as we know, simple interest is always calculated on principal, right? So before getting the rate of interest, we must have the principal, fine? So we have to get the principal as well. So this is the same question, 550 in 5 years, 600 in 6 years. The gap between the time is 1 year and the gap between the amount is rupees 50. Rupees 50 is for 1 year. So take the first statement, either second statement. Let's take the second statement today now. So rupees 50 is for 1 year. So for 6 years it would be, for 6 years it would be 300, right? So this is the simple interest for 6 years, right? This is the simple interest for 1 year. So simple interest for 6 years is 300 rupees. And This is the value minus the simple interest, and we get the principal. Principal is 300 rupees. This is the principal. 300 is the principal. Now, but we have to get the rate of interest, and without principal, we cannot get the rate of interest. The formula of rate of interest is simple interest divided by principal multiplied by 100. Simple interest for 1 year, that is 50, and principal is 300 into 100. When we solve, we get 100 by 6, and the value of 100 by 6 is 16.2 by 3%. This is an answer. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है. 2 और 3 क्वेश्चन जरूर इस चैप्टर में से आते हैं. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, a sum of money at simple interest amounts to rupees 650 in 3 years and rupees 750 in 5 years. Find the principal and the rate of interest. कुछ मनी, कुछ पैसा हमने अगर किसी से उधार लिया, वो 3 साल बाद विद इंटरेस्ट 650 रुपए हो गया और 5 साल बाद वो 750 रुपए हो गया. इसका मतलब कितना बढ़ गया? 100 रुपए बढ़ गया. कितने टाइम में? 2 साल में. अगर 2 साल में 100 बढ़ा तो 1 साल में कितना सिंपल इंटरेस्ट होगा? 50 रुपए. तो किसी भी एक स्टेटमेंट को लेते हैं, अगर 1 साल में 50 रुपए बढ़ा तो 3 साल में कितना बढ़ेगा? 150. ये वो अमाउंट है जिसमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट हमारा ऐड है. तो ये सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इसमें से हम माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास वो पैसा आ जाएगा जितना हमने लिया था. ये वो पैसा है जितना लिया था और इंटरेस्ट 3 साल बाद इंटरेस्ट मिला के वो 650 हो गया. उसके बाद हमें जब रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट निकालना है, ब्याज की दर निकलती है सिंपल इंटरेस्ट साधारण ब्याज से डिवाइडेड बाय प्रिंसिपल. जो अमाउंट हमने लिया है वो इनटू 100. जब हमने उसको सॉल्व किया हमारा आंसर आया 10%. द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वाज 10%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल सेम है, उसी प्रोसीजर से किया है. इसमें नेक्स्ट हमने ये वाली स्टेटमेंट ली है. इस स्टेटमेंट से करो या इस स्टेटमेंट से किसी भी स्टेटमेंट से करो, आंसर सेम आएगा. बाकी नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. बाय द टाइम कीप लर्निंग, कीप वॉचिंग. थैंक यू सो मच.